Okay, and you do have your mobiles also with will. Okay. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, even your photo is also fine. Like we don't require any physical cards. Even we have a picture of it also, it will be completely fine. So before starting today's session, I would like to recall what we have discussed so far on yesterday's class. So which topic we have discussed, guys? Software architecture, right? So how many type of software architecture we do have? 4 types. What are those? So 1 tier, 2 tier, 3 tier, and n tier. How many layers in each? 3 layers. First one is presentation layer. Second one is, third one is database layer. Okay. So by using presentation layer, what we can do? To view the application, just to view the application. By using application layer, what we can able to do? Perform the operation. And by using data layer, what we can do? We can store as well as we can retrieve the data as well. And one more thing, if I want to develop a standalone application, which architecture do I need to follow? 1 tier. If I want to develop client server application, if I want to develop web application, 3 tier is for web application. So in real time, all your work is depending upon 3 tier architecture. Okay, no matter on which organization you are going to work, on which project you are going to work, your always the working is 3 tier architecture only. And we have one more tier of architecture. What it is, guys? N tier. N tier architecture is used to define what kind of applications? Distributed applications, right? Okay. So today we are going to start something about called servers, because yesterday we have seen architecture, right? So the application layer residing on application server, database residing on database server. So to define or to construct these kind of architectures, we need to know what exactly servers is, right? Have anyone idea about these servers? What exactly server is and why we need to use for? Okay, so like lot of you people can say server is used to store the data, right? It is correct. It's just only one part of server, guys. It's only one part of server, but we can have n number of options on server level. Let me tell you what exactly is server and why we need to use a server. Yes, of course we can store the data, but it is only one part. Okay, I will explain you with some real-time examples. Okay, let me share my screen. We all went for restaurants, right? At least once in a lifetime, right? Definitely we have went to restaurant. Have anyone went to Barbecue Nation? Barbecue Nation. It's a very nice place actually. Okay. So today our topic is corresponding to this restaurants only. If you understand the concept of restaurant, you can easily get the concept of server. Let me open my presentation. Okay. This is the concept of servers. Like on AWS, you are calling your servers as EC2. Okay. Let's hold this part. I will explain what exactly EC2 is once after creating the account. But first of all, I'm going to cover a topic about what exactly is server meant for. We all rent for restaurant lot of times, right? If you observe here, there are some diagrams. Are you able to see it, guys? For example, this is my family. Let's say, okay, this is me and this is my child and this is my like one of the friend or like one of my wife. I don't have any wives. Okay, just for understanding. So this is me, this is my child, and this is my wife. Okay, we all went for restaurant together. We all went for restaurant together, and there we have seen the menu card. We have menu card, right? So on the menu card, what we have done is I have taken the menu code. On menu card, I have seen something called as salads and biryanis, as well as some juices and some sweet like dessert. We have some n number of options on menu card. For example, like my child is fond of salads. He ordered the salad. and I'm fond of biryani as well as juices. I ordered this both. And like my wife is fond of desserts. Okay. So if you observe here, are our priorities and requirements same or different? We have different requirements. We have something called as menu. We have ordered as per our requirement. Okay. Once we have ordered as per our requirement, we have seen the menu card. I call the server. Definitely once we enter the server, they will bring the menu card and they will ask us, sir, what do you want? I have selected all of this menu and I have given instruction to the server to bring all of this. What the server is going to do now? To bring what are the requirements for me, right? So server is something which serves to the needs of ourselves. On the same real-time example also, server is something which serves to the needs of other computers. Server is something which serves to the needs of other computers. Here, once I seen the menu card and after I order, this server is going to serve me, right? Even my requirements are different, but server is going to serve me all this. Same example I am going to explain you on real time.